congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know how happy as can be.
This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us be glad and rejoice in it. Come on, let's celebrate the 19th ordination anniversary of Reverend Father Nelson Lobo. Congratulations to our anointed priest of God.
On your ordination day, God bless you.
Do this in memory of me. Thus, the priest proclaims the words of Jesus and makes him alive and present in his word and the Eucharist. The book of Leviticus, chapter 20, verse 26 states, I have separated you from other people that you should be mine. The choice of God is marvelous. God chooses not extraordinary people, but ordinary people like Father Nelson Lobo with full of zeal for the Lord. Thank you, Father Nelson Lobo, for answering Jesus' call to his priesthood. We are blessed by your yes. The call of Father Nelson is a reminder of God's love at work in our lives. To live in the midst of the world with no desire for its pleasure. To be a member of every family, yet belonging to none. To daily go from people to God, to present Him their petitions, to return from God to people, to offer them His hope. What a wonderful life is yours, O priest of God, the priest with an incomparable gift of preaching.
My dear brothers and sisters, as we participate in this Eucharist, the Last Supper, let us always remember the most important lesson Jesus wants to teach His disciples, and for us today is a lesson in humility.
This evening, this time is very precious for us. We are reliving the last words of Jesus Christ, the 7 words of Jesus.
We want to thank you for helping us to forgive. Lord, when you were dying on the cross, even to the criminal, you promised paradise. And by that promise, you gave humanity the hope that even the worst criminals can be saved.
Try to reflect as a Christian, not as a Goan. आजकाल पॉलिटिकल नेगेटिव्ह लँग्वेज पळय आसा ती भरपूर जाल्या आनी भोव करून जो भायलो लोक आपले घरदार सांडून गोंयां येयलोलो लोक गोंयां जायतो जाला देखून जायती नेगेटिव्ह लँग्वेज आमी वापरता.
Two disciples on the way to Emmaus, they are teaching us 3 things.
3 things are necessary in order to come back to the church in case you are deviated with various circumstances and problems. The first is company of Jesus, contact of Jesus.
Having tasted the goodness of God, Father Nelson transmits the same to all who encounters him in the journey of his priestly vocation. This is a perfect time, dear Father Nelson, to celebrate you. We thank you for your wonderful service to the people of God. May you continue to be sustained by His grace, and may your life in God's service remain ever joyful. This is my prayer for you.
Un santo sacerdotisuto, devantu kawartiamo kan maklolo, sodan suru, gurpin boru, jibituce. Un santo sacerdotisuto, devantu kawartiamo kan maklolo, sodan suru, gurpin boru, jibituce. Chine chasa